clients or with our international clients.
Mm-hmm.
So how we are able to build rapport with them while
By
talking?
being a good conversationalist.
Yes,
Yeah,
only
I
then,
understand.
because if they are not able to understand me, so how would I be able to convince them? हाँ 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 कुछ ऐसा ही शैतान का
I
काम है
give you.
like this no. हाँ हाँ
Something like that. I'm not
yeah
good at that, so I don't know. But
yeah
yes, I
same
understand the
like CP
like.
like Connaught Place.
I don't know. I don't know any of that company MSI. They are
MSI,
like
yeah, yeah.
really, yeah, they're really
I was
like
just searching
into,
for it. Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
They are into.
they're really into near my house.
Okay.
Okay, and
The
there
name
I
is
went
bit
and
fancy.
sorry,
The name is the place name is like it is sounding very
Lamington.
fancy.
So
Yeah.
did we purposely stray away from the topic? Are you interested like in the topic today?
Let's go ahead with it.
No, I
It
just
always
want to know.
happens with us.
So,
Hey Divyam,
how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm great. I'm great. You're wearing new headphones also today.
Yeah. So these suits me actually. They are
These
very
suits.
comfortable. Yeah, because in my starting like in my one of the starting sessions, I when I had started using so in my demo session, when like the very first session I'm talking about, I did not even use the headphone. So later on when I had checked, the voice was not that audible. So yeah, then I had started using so I started with using hands free, but still the voice wasn't that clear. But yeah, since then, so I got these ones. So it is Digitech, and it is good.
Is it like a gaming headset?
No, like it is, but you can attach, like you can use them while
Game.
for gaming purposes too. Yeah.
Okay. Because I was looking for some. I'm using my wife's currently wired headphones. It's been so long I've used wired. I love like these headphones that I have. They are both rockers. Okay. I think they're
Yeah.
for 1,200 bucks. And I used to game on them. Like I used to play like PUBG on my phone, right? So
Okay.
I talk to my friends. I need to hear like footsteps and everything very, very, it has to be really loud, right? So I can hear someone coming from far away. But
Hmm.
I had a pair for 2 years and I called for the same one. And for some reason, that old pair is louder than this new pair. And
Okay.
then something is wrong with the old pair and they don't get charged anymore. So now I can't use it.
Okay. You cannot even charge them. Okay.
It's just spoiled and it's for 1,000 bucks and it doesn't make sense to repair it because they'll end up
Yeah. Of
charging
course.
me 500 rupees.
Yeah. There is no point. So, which company is this?
Uh,
Boat.
Boat rockers, Nirvana.
Boat Rockers Nirvana. Yeah.
Yeah.
I also have boat rockers, but those big ones like
Oh,
this.
yes. I was
Over the
thinking of that, but boat rockers are a kind of brand that they want to show off, and I'm not like a show off person. I'm a very subtle person. So they have those bright, like red and like bright colors and like huge headsets, and I don't want that. I want something small.
yeah. So those headphones are huge, but those headphones aren't. So the ones which I have, those aren't that flashy. Like it is
Okay,
very plain. It is simple. Like those are very simple, black
I'll
in
check it
color,
out.
and then just logo. Give me 1 minute.
No, no, please, it's okay,
Let
it's
me
okay,
show
it's
you.
okay. I'll Google it. It's okay, no worries
Yeah,
about
yeah.
that.
Like it is very plain. Like it is good. You can.
Yeah, I will look into it. But if I
That
get another pair of
that
headphones,
came
my
for
wife is going to smack me. But it's okay, I'll figure it out.
yeah. I'm actually searching for those, and right now Flipkart sale is also going on, so
Okay.
getting pretty good deals. So I was looking for a tablet, but
Mm-hmm.
the tablet which I want, that is not available. Like 32 GB one is available, but I want the 128 GB one. That is out of stock.
Yeah, obviously, because
iPad
everyone wants that. 32
generation.
GB is useless. Like it
There
just
is no point. Yeah,
yeah.
and that too in tablet.
Yes.
Because that would consume more space.
Hmm. So what is the price range of that?
That is for 32 GB one Wi-Fi is for 27
Okay.
600.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah,
You don't have to
so
tell me 26 300.
yeah,
Like you don't have to specify the numbers. It's okay. I'm just
so
asking for a range
yeah,
because I'm
so
also looking to buy a gaming PC. So I was researching these options. So there are three options like tablets, laptops, and PC. Right? Like a desktop. I mean.
if you just want a tablet or a PC just for the gaming purposes, you just straight away go for this iPad mini. This tablet came in 2019, but you can go for that with your closed eyes. Actually, that
Yeah,
is
I know. I've only heard good things
just
about
really
it, but
good. Yeah, yeah,
I'm not
it
a big
is
fan of
very
Apple.
big, 64 GB, but the performance is also very good.
Hmm.
If
So
you just want that for gaming purposes, it is really good.
this is where like I think my Marwadi brain comes in because I'm a Marwadi. Okay, so I was looking at the options, and first I was like, I'll just buy a new phone, right? So the phone, like I always buy Redmi. Like we already had this discussion. I
Yeah,
always buy Redmi. So the Redmi phone, the latest Note is for 15,000. So I can easily do that. Even if I don't pay full cash, I can just do an EMI of 5,000 every month, right? And I can easily get that, which isn't that bad.
but the screen will be very small.
No, no,
That
it's
is the
not.
main problem.
It's all good. Like this is my phone, and the Redmi 10 will be a little bigger than this. Like if you can see my hand,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay.
So like, this is
So it would be 6.1 inches or maybe more than
yeah,
that.
6.1, 6.3, anywhere between that.
Hmm.
And the new Note will obviously be a tad better because this is Note 7 and Note 10 is for 15,000 right now. So I was thinking of buying that. Then I thought, maybe I should get a new laptop because my laptop that I'm using right now is really bad, as you can see from the camera quality. It's been over
Hmm.
5, 6 years now. So I thought the phone's fine, and the phone is cheap enough that in an emergency I can just buy it on EMI. Right?
But yeah, buying a laptop would be a better investment instead of buying a
Exactly.
phablet or a tablet instead. Yeah.
Yes, that is what I was thinking. So I thought maybe I should just invest in a laptop. Then I thought maybe I'll invest in a laptop in such a way that I can also edit some videos because I was into editing. I had a YouTube channel, right? So I thought maybe I should get something with a good graphics card or at least with a good, ventilation system so it doesn't overheat, right? And
Because
then
nothing can replace a laptop. Even
exactly.
no matter how big screen phone you can buy or phablet you buy, like they won't be able to replace the work which a laptop does.
Trust me, let me tell you my process. You'll be super confused as well. Okay. So then I'm like, yeah, I should do that. I should get something with the graphics card that can edit videos and play games at the same time. All right. So I wanted that versatility. So I looked at the options, and the first option that came up was like an MSI. I think if you've heard of that company, MSI, they are
MSI,
like
yeah, yeah.
really, yeah, they're really
I was
like
just searching
into,
for it. Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
They are into.
they're really into like gaming laptops. And I'm like,
Mhm.
1.5 lakh rupees for a laptop. What is wrong with people? Like, how is it so expensive? It's just
But
one of
those
the
are very
versions I
high
saw.
end. That
Yeah,
is,
I know.
we are talking about very high end. Yeah,
But the most basic model of MSI starts from 45,000. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So I thought about it and I'm like, let me break it down into pieces, right? So what I did is I broke it down into like hardware, like software and everything. Okay. And I came up with a list of specifications. That these are the
Mm.
specifications I want. And I went to like the closest electronic market near my house. Okay. So there's this market called Lamington Road. Okay. Near my house.
Okay.
Okay. And
The
there
name
I
is
went
bit
and
fancy.
sorry,
The name is the place name is like it is sounding very
Lamington.
fancy. Yeah.
It's not fancy at all. Trust me. It's really bad. It's really like
Trust.
unhygienic and crowded. That's all I'll say. Okay.
Okay.
So it may have derived its name from like the Britishers or whatever, but it's
Yeah.
not that anymore. It's
Okay.
lost all of its glory.
Okay. Like
So
TP,
like
like Connaught Place.
I don't know. I don't know any of these references. I'm not from Delhi, right? So
Okay. Like you have never been to Delhi.
I have never been to Delhi for like traveling or like for pleasure, only for business.
Okay. Okay.
So I used like my family business is like gold and imitation jewelry. So I used to visit all the markets in Delhi. We supply to a lot of people in Delhi. Okay, a lot of
Okay.
gold shops and a lot of fake jewelry shops, right?
Okay.
when it comes to beads or pearls and all that. So I used to visit, like I used to reach in the morning, have a heavy breakfast, run around everywhere, showing everyone the catalogs and taking their orders, taking the payments, and then like at night I would go back home. So I didn't really have time to
Of course. Yeah, yeah.
explore. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm just
Even
going to
if you
quickly
had to.
finish my story. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry
Sure.
about that.
Hmm.
So I saw that and I'm like, why the hell should I do that? I can assemble my own PC for 30,000, right? So
Hmm.
that will be as almost as cheap as my phone, right? Because it's like 17, 30,000. But in that, I can do editing, I can do my office work, I can play much better games like Call of Duty and whatnot, right?
Yeah.
Right. Plus, I can customize it from by myself if I ever
You
feel
can
like the
certainly
hardware needs to
customize
be
it as well.
changed.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm like, so then I was talking to my wife, and she's like, "You were thinking of buying a new phone because it's cheap, but now all of a sudden you want like this hunky piece of desktop lying in my room somewhere, making noise all the time." And I'm like, "That's how a guy's brain works because that is the most value you can get out of the thing, right?
Yeah.
Because for thirty
Right.
thousand, you're going to get a lot more, and
A lot more.
so
Yeah.
if I spend 35, I will get the same value. If I had to buy a laptop equivalent to that price or to that value, I would have to spend at least 50,000 on a laptop, right?
At least 50,000 or maybe more than that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm like, that was
And
the
if you
best
get the
option.
assembled desktop version, yeah. But one should know everything about it. Like if one is going for that assemble thing. So yeah.
The only reason I say assemble is because I hate it when brands overprice something just because their name is on it. That is why I don't use Apple products, right?
Yeah, yeah, they are way too expensive. Like if we talk about those MacBooks and all, I would never buy them. Even if I have that kind of money, still I wouldn't go ahead and buy them.
It's for
Uh,
some
Lakh,
industry
one
experts or
lakh.
like some, yes, I mean.
Yeah, yeah. I was just referring to the prices. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, so I'm saying that for some industries, it makes sense. For people who are working in certain industries, it makes sense. But at least for me, at this point in time, it doesn't make sense. So I'm not going to even think about it.
Yeah. So those products are not for everyone.
Yeah.
There are certain products which like will be like very accessible to everyone, and almost the middle class guy or family can afford that. But
Hmm.
if we are talking about Apple products, even like if we just go a little higher, okay, why I was referring to that Apple iPad, because now it is coming for like a very cheap, like 27, 28,000. You are getting a 10.2 inch iPad.
Screen. Mm.
Yeah, screen. Yeah, that is very good. Like, and the eighth gen, that is
That's what I'm saying. So
OS and
instead of doing
everything. Yeah,
that, so I have this. I
but
love gaming, and I love games, particular games that can only be played on PC. So if I'm
I
spending
already
twenty
have a
seven
laptop.
thousand,
Like if
yeah.
I didn't have a laptop, then it would have been wrong going straight away for a tablet. Like
Hmm.
if I already have a laptop, then I can certainly go for a tablet. I want it for a dual purposes, so that I can watch movies and I can read as well.
Yeah.
So that
Then
is one thing,
it gives you
because
the
the
most
screen is
value.
bigger. Yeah, because you can do so many things on a tablet.
Did we purposely stray away from the topic? Are you interested like in the topic today?
Let's go ahead with it.
No, I
It
just
always
want to know.
happens
It's
with
okay.
us. Yeah.
It's there's only 3 4 minutes left, so that it won't make sense to start the topic now.
Yeah,
But I'm
and
just
I
curious.
and I guess the topic was sports, and I did
Yes,
talk about sports in one of the
our
in
sessions.
not in our sessions, in one of my previous sessions. I had
Okay,
already spoken on this topic. Like if you want, I can speak on it, but yeah, and that is fine.
understood.
We like, or we can
No,
just
no,
carry on with
I'm just
our
curious. I
conversation.
wanted to know if you wanted to talk about the topic or no. See, you're here for a conversation. If you're
Yeah.
comfortable with what we are talking
See,
about, it should be fine.
if I start talking on the topic right now, what will happen? I tried doing the same thing, because I will try to wrap it up quickly. And if I try to wrap it up quickly,
You'll
I
end up
will
making
think
mistakes.
more. I will end up making more mistakes. No, no, like so I will try everything. Like I will try to add everything, and I end up not even putting across the main points.
Yes. You'll make a
So
whole
so
fuss
that
out of it.
so yeah, so that generally happens. Like if we rush, so rushing is bad. So yeah,
Obviously, like there was a saying in Hindi, right? What is it? I'm not really good at that.
in
Jaldi ka kaam
contest पे
something.
हाँ कुछ ऐसा ही शैतान का
I'll
काम है
give
वो
you.
like this
Ha,
no हाँ
something like that. I'm not
yeah
good at that, so I don't know. But
yeah
yes, I
same
understand the
with me
feels. I understand what they were trying to convey when they say that.
yeah right but it's good
Okay.
like a normal conversation. So what actually we do topics only like it is to judge whether we are able to speak on a topic or not, and
Mm-hmm.
in a like in a conversation as well, like if you're not able to speak we wouldn't have that kind of a conversation.
Yeah.
Like how we are able to, because in our BPO industry, like what we have been told that we have to build a rapport with our clients or with our international clients.
Mm-hmm.
So how we are able to build rapport with them while
By
talking?
being a good conversationalist.
Yes, only
Yeah, I
then,
understand.
because if they are not able to understand me, so how would I be able to convince them, or how would I be able to sell my products to them,
Yeah.
or for that matter whatever process that I'm working in. So if I'm trying to help with their queries, if I'm
Mm-hmm.
not good at speaking, so I wouldn't be that good at
Without communication, it's
yeah
very difficult. I get it.
yeah.
Yeah. So, are you in sales?
No, I'm not, like have never been in sales.
Okay.
Because I know that sales is not my cup of tea. I was in like in my initial career, I did third party collections, but that was way
Okay.
too hard because at that time I knew that I wouldn't be able to, like, target is something like every process would have their own KRAs, like every company would have their own KRAs, but sales is something that I cannot do because at times you have to lie, you have to, like, for selling, so that stuff I cannot do. Yeah, so since starting only I have been in customer service. I have worked on like in a service desk profile as well. Like I was in troubleshooting, so I asked to do so I was in semi tech process for Equifax. You must have heard Equifax. That is
No, I
US.
have not,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
so so it is all technical. Though like I'm just a plain English house graduate, so I just have the basic
Don't do
knowledge.
that.
I
Don't tell yourself that, please. That is where the self-limiting belief starts.
yeah, but still yeah. So gave the interview, got selected, and yeah. So since starting, so the gist of it that since starting I have been working in the customer care profile, and really like I've been enjoying it because
That's
talking
great.
to different people, you get to learn a lot and to handle especially difficult situations.
Yes, that is the
How
most
to
important.
actually come out here.